technology is also part of our education, and it plays a very pivotal role, very key role in your future education. Whatever that you're learning in school level or college level, your graduation level, technology is also part of your education. So, in this regard, we thought we would like to give you some insights. We would like to give you some first-hand information about how robotics functions. What is the science behind building robotics? What is the curiosity to know what exactly is robotics? Where robotics are used in day-to-day life? What are the studies in robotics? What are the studies in artificial intelligence?
Turn that off. Okay. Okay, so here is Nino, our robot, is standing up right now. So let's try and touch him. What did he say? We'll do that again. How did it work? Practically no. Where else is a sensor used? But let's see if it works. This is a different sensor, right? First thing is that's a touch sensor. The second time it identified as the leg, much before the leg came in the way, right? I'm not looking at you people, doesn't mean that you will be silent. Correct? Did you notice?
Oops, don't worry, I will get up.
Did you see us realize ourselves and we are able to stand properly? Wonderful. So where did you learn this?
They will find where are the enemies and where are the attacks. So they will be careful with the enemies.
Really smart answer. Really smart. Very good. Already robots can save a lot of lives. Yes? Yes. They are very keen on robots. Really cool. So the point is, this is just one thing it can do. You can now imagine, there are so many motors on that, and everything has its own angle, correct? You understand the entire geometry. So now imagine you can configure it to do so many other things also. Right? You can put a big robotic arm on top of it. It can go carry something and come. Yeah. Send it to your kitchen. Is the Wi-Fi connected now? Yeah. What? I don't know. It's not. Oh God. Yeah, you can program it to climb the stairs. Depends on how big the stairs is. If there is a big
So these two robots include physics, uh, physics which the topic is center of gravity which both can work, then motors which are engineered to make them control to us to control them. Some formulas are used to make that specific size of motors. So mathematics and physics are all used for making
okay. Great for that answer. Please take your seat. Anybody
robots. Five and
says don't touch me, right? You know that is fundamentally physics. There's a touch sensor which works on the principle of fundamentals of physics, right? How many of you know that?